Nandito po pala tayo sa Vice Mayor Chesca Robles Beach. Ayun po sila sa unahan. Maraming salamat. And their princess gown attire as they step once again on stage to be awarded with all the corporate, special, and minor awards. Naka-high heels sila lahat sponsored by the organizing committee. Ayan. Kaya magagaling pa rin talaga sila maglakad on their high heel. Kaya maraming salamat. And congratulations truly on your effort for the success of tonight's event. Ngayong gabi, we'll be having a different type of presentation of awards. Kung sa mga normal na patimpala, magbibigay kami ng award, magbibigay ng kung sino ang presenter, ibibigay namin kung sino ang mananalo. Ngayong gabi, iibahin po natin ang proseso. We will be calling them one by one and we will be awarding them all the corporate awards that they are going to receive per candidate. Okay po? So, simulan na po natin ang pagbibigay ng mga papremyo and awards for our 9 gorgeous candidates. Starting with our candidate number 1, Miss Casey Brown. Diba? Handang-handa siya. Napakagaling ng presence of mind niya. Candidate number 1 will be receiving candidate number 1 is Little Miss Bulan Baitown, to be awarded by Miss Rose Cordon. Candidate number 1 is also Little Miss Bulan Commercial, to be awarded by Miss Angela Renato. And also candidate number 1 will be receiving our 3rd corporate award, Little Miss C&A Store. And to present the award, we have Miss Carla Lee. Melody. All right, so let's call on